in investing and in business, brand is everything. The bigger your brand, the better the margins you can get. There's a bigger chance that people will go for you against the competition. And that's why also I'm a big fan of Apple, primarily because Apple trades off brand. So Tesla isn't just an innovative car. It's not just a EV. It's not just something that has a lot of AI in it, but the brand alone will already attract a large amount of customers as well. Hey guys, so as you all know, I'm a big fan of Tesla and I'm a big fan of tech, particularly tech that will make the world a better place and tech that's changing and innovating and disrupting the status quo. Over the past few years, that's what Tesla has done with its EV. It's somehow also reducing the demand for gasoline and diesel as we move into more greener sources of energy, which I think is good. And in terms of it being game changing, I really believe that their AI is way ahead of everyone else as well. However, over the past few years also, we've seen it go up already massively, had several stock splits, and in spite of that also, we've seen drops in its price, and we've also seen Elon Musk take profits on his positions on Tesla. I want to share and talk about in this video 10 things on why I believe Tesla will still grow, will still be a good company over the next 10 years. There's a lot of things that could also happen in between. However, based on its current trajectory, this is something that will make Tesla also a very interesting company in spite of the run-up that it has done over the past few years. Number one is basically this. There's a growing demand for electric vehicles. With increasing concerns over climate change, the demand for electric vehicles is likely to continue growing, and Tesla is well positioned to benefit from this trend. There's more electric vehicles right now in 2023 than where we were a decade ago. However, it's still a very, very small portion of the car owners worldwide. Even in the Philippines, you barely see any electric vehicles driving the roads. And that's what I'm saying. There's still a lot of markets, especially in developing countries, that still don't have EVs. And even if you go to developed markets as well, not a lot of people have Teslas yet. If there's a trajectory of growth versus gasoline powered cars over the next 10, 20, 30 years, electric vehicles, EVs, will do massively better. This will get more affordable and more people will want it than just traditional gasoline powered cars as well. Number two, and this is one of the things why I believe Tesla is amazing, because of its innovative technology. Tesla is known for its cutting edge technology and innovation, which sets it apart from its competitors and attracts customers. You know what's so interesting? When you see a Tesla car for the first time, when you go in, the console alone, the screens alone, seems so modern, and comparing it to the other gasoline powered cars, especially when it first came out, it was years ahead. Just to be able to drive by itself, its self-driving function, that alone is so amazing. And it's not just really a car, it's a technology inside a car. So as long as Elon Musk is at the helm and they continue to innovate, the best is still yet to come in terms of the iterations of the cars that Tesla will actually produce. Number three is this: strong brand and reputation. Tesla's built a strong brand reputation for producing high-quality, sustainable vehicles and is consistently ranked as one of the most valuable car brands in the world. So please do remember this. In investing and in business, brand is everything. The bigger your brand, the better the margins you can get. There's a bigger chance that people will go for you against the competition. And that's why also I'm a big fan of Apple, primarily because Apple trades off brand. So Tesla isn't just an innovative car. It's not just a EV. It's not just something that has a lot of AI in it, but the brand alone will already attract a large amount of customers as well. Number four, and I mentioned bits and pieces of this already, it's the leader in autonomous driving. Tesla has been in the forefront of developing autonomous driving technology, which has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. To have AI drive the vehicle for you, especially for long trips, especially in highways, that used to be very tiring. I drove the Pacific Northwest from San Francisco all the way to Seattle, and it was a very, very long and very, very tiring trip. Imagine having AI to do that for you. And what's interesting about this is, if it's AI and it's autonomous, it will lessen, in my opinion, a lot of the collisions, a lot of the accidents, because the reason why there's a lot of accidents is because humans are driving. There's a lot of human error involved. There's a lot of emotion involved. When people get angry when they're driving, it impacts the way they drive. Hence, there's more people getting into accidents. This will be one of the game changers that will save a lot of lives as well. And if this is the only thing that they do and solve, I think it's something that's very, very good already. Number 5 is this. They're expanding into new markets. Tesla is actively expanding into new markets, both domestically and internationally, which will help drive growth for the companies. I believe they're going to make a lot of money from the US because a lot of people want Tesla in the US, and the problem that they had at the start was there were more people that wanted Tesla than what they could actually produce. Now they have the ability to be able to build more, manufacture more, and now as they expand internationally and having other Tesla offices in different parts of the world, I think this will ramp it up and this will increase their sales as well. Next is this, they're growing energy storage business. Tesla is also investing heavily in energy storage technology, which could help to drive growth in the renewable sector. And I think that's what's going to make it interesting also, because as time would pass, the demand for renewable energy will just continue to grow. What fuels Tesla is their battery. The larger the storage that they have for their Tesla, the longer people could drive also before they actually have to recharge. The more they find more applications for that people could actually use, and people could actually use also apart from just the Tesla alone, would I think generate a new source of revenue also for them. Number 7 is strong financials. And over the past years, Tesla was getting a lot of sales, but they were losing money. But over the past few years also, that started to flip. Tesla has started to make money. And that being said, Tesla's strong financial position with a history of positive cash flow and profitability, which provides a very, very good, solid foundation. And then again, I just want to say this though, that the time where they had explosive growth, when they were a bit riskier, when they weren't earning, hence we saw it from the price of the stock over the past decade, it reflected that. Greater the risk, greater the reward. And now as Tesla starting to stabilize, they're profitable now, they're earning money now, you may not see as massive of a growth as what they had over the past 10 years, but nonetheless, they're still a good company that's growing with so many things working for them as well. Number 8 is this. There's a growing demand for sustainable products. There's a growing demand for sustainable products and services, and Tesla is well positioned to benefit from this trend with electric vehicles and energy storage technology. Similar to EV, sustainable living and technology that's highly centered on that will do very, very well. And Tesla is right smack in the middle of it. Number 9, I think this is something that sets Tesla apart from everyone else also, is that they have experienced leadership. Tesla equals Elon Musk. I'm a big fan of Elon Musk. I believe that he's the Steve Jobs of this era, that he makes moves and does not care about what other people think. He has moves way ahead as compared to what other people are thinking, and he's not scared to take risks, and he keeps on pushing the envelope. Because Elon Musk basically is a visionary. He's an entrepreneur with a proven track record of success in a variety of industries, and he's well positioned to lead the company into the future. Tesla has a strong company culture. Tesla has a culture that values innovation, which I value a lot in companies. If you don't innovate, you don't change, you don't shift, you die. Your competitor will beat you, or there will be new technologies that will beat you or will disrupt you. And that's what Tesla has. They have a culture that values innovation, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. With that, it helps attract and retain talented employees. These are just a few of the reasons why Tesla is likely to continue to grow and continue to do good over the next decade. Of course, it's important to conduct your own research and consider your own financial goals and risks as well when analyzing and investing a stock. Because at the end of the day, it's your money, it's your responsibility. No one will work harder for your money than you. No one will invest better than your money than you as well. Those are 10 things. Let me know if there's other things that I missed out, other things that you think sets Tesla apart, that makes them so game-changing. If you guys have other questions, put them down below. And if you guys want me to talk about other stocks as well, put them down below as well. And I'm going to make as much videos about them as possible. And if you want to learn more about the stock market, want to learn more about technical analysis, I've written books about it. I have some free videos down below also in the description. And also I have a webinar that you could watch at your own pace if you want to learn more about the stock market, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis as well. If you stayed up until the end and you got value from this, appreciate it if you could press the like button. You could comment down below, say I'm learning, and share this video to your friends. And I guess that's it for now. This is Marvingermo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.